How to improve maintenance inventory management. Inventory management is the unsung hero of your maintenance operation. There usually isn't a lot of praise for those who toil with spare parts. But when done right, it can elevate your asset maintenance management to the next level, while saving your company a huge chunk of change. Today, we're uncovering all the ways to improve inventory management so you can lower costs and avoid wasting time and money. Having too little stock presents a more immediate problem. Imagine a critical piece of production equipment goes down and you don't have the part needed to repair it. Downtime on that machine just went from a couple of hours to a couple of days or weeks, and the cost of that breakdown skyrocketed.